Cutting onions, Paul?
Come on.
Okay.
Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash. Splash, splash, splash.
Go Braves. You done? Yeah? 2 thumbs up? We're doing
Fried fish on a hot, whoa, back up to be frying taters. Sizzling going.
What's the secret to frying fish?
The right temperature and fish. Having some fish. Gotta have the right temperature going.
This is where all the magic happens.
Oh, Waylon says it's happening over there.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm supposed to go with it later. I don't know if he'll let me put those on or not, but
I'm so glad you got them.
touch his toes.
You don't touch his toes?
He's still
Kiss
wet.
his toes?
Aw, so nice. Aw, in the forehead.
Huh? Sammy, you might as well ask why the wind blows.
Anna, what'd you make?
This is a poke cake, a turtle pecan poke cake. I gotta finish it. It's not done.
Needs the Cool Whip.
Yeah, I know. I got the Cool Whip and the sauce and pecans and the chocolate chips.
Come on. Come on.
No.
I just need to get the end out of a spoon.
I'll get you a spoon, Sam.
Excuse me. See that?
Looks like a star.
Hey, the flathead is flat.
They call it flat. Oh, why?
Because it's flat. So the other one is called what?
Edges.
A Phillips.
Spoon.
Thank you. Turtle pecan
Cassie,
cake.
did you lay in your bathtub?
No, I didn't even sing that Jared didn't
Oh.
sing. Ready? Set, go! Okay.
Hey, Rylan. Rylan. Look over here.
Rylan, Waylon, look at the bubbles.
Look over here.
Look at the bubbles.
Here, you want one?
He come and sat down in his normal spot. I figured.
Potato.
If I know what that means, it ain't changed. This used to be he come get his own.
Get it, pop, pop, pop. Rylan.
Rylan.
Elijah, come get this.
Pop them. Catch them. Throw.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
He's like, oh, that's what I'm supposed to do.
You want that off?
Please. Hey, no bugs coming here. Oh no, there's one. Well, Hannah.
Where's Max?
Hunter's over there cooking.
Where's Max?
Well, Hannah did cook.
Glad we changed shirts.
He's just getting into the spirit. Happy birthday, America.
I'm gonna.
Love you.
It's Mackenzie here. That's Mackenzie. That's Kylie's friend.
That's not a bad thing. Ask the blessings upon their family, and upon their friends, God. And God would ask you to bless this wonderful food that's spread out on the table, that it may nourish their body. Thank you for each and every one. And bless those that couldn't come. And our families, God, you touch and bless them. Give everybody a safe trip home. And we bow our unworthy head. And again, thank you for this food, friendship, and family. And all of God's children said, amen.
He's not wasting any time.
You want that?
Ranch. Hey, can I see your shirt?
Hey, hold on, let us get undone.
Can you say cheese?
Show me your teeth. Teeth, show your cheese.
Cheese. Oh, that's a good cheese.
Oh, take TV the good.
Hey, you hang up. See, we're fine now.
Yes, you do it.
Look at Aim Buffett, get him again.
It won't hurt it. What pelted his feet?
Get him away, get him away. Get Bobby away.
All that work for no fight Cameron.
We started at 6, so.
Good morning.
All that work for no fight Cameron.
Hi, Joe.
Oh, I love you. Oh, Rowley.
They ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
And
No, you said it. You said it.
He still had his shirt on. We had one of them set up the yard of youngins. Yeah. Top all of those. I believe I can fly. 15 years ago, maybe. Yeah. He took.
share of hay up on the trailer. I said, I sold my share of hay on the trailer.
Yeah!
What? Yeah.
Nancy,
Yeah, we lived right below Deech's house there when Mom was married. Sure. Yeah, the White House right there, yeah. There's Deech's house, and then there's a big White House there on the left, up on the big hill. We lived in that house.
Everybody in. And I had already turned my chair around.
I hadn't got mine turned back around.
I don't think you can hold that in your hand.
My mom's son used to do.
Propane tank?
Sparkler like a Roman cake.
Trade
Hunter, what are these?
post or something.
What are these?
I wouldn't either.
That's what I'm saying. No.
Messing with Cameron. You're messing with Cameron.
She always does that.
Go on.
Oh, one's not lighted. Oh, both of them lighted. Grasshopper!
On a regular basis. But, you know, if they run.
Are you gonna talk through my hair?
I mean, I'm just worried about
Cameron, we're going to head off the mountain. I'll see you tomorrow, all right? Love you.
Come here. Come here. Here.
They got Buffalo Wild Wings. They have some really good mozzarella sticks, and their marinara. No. And then so that's an appetizer, and then I would do a Texas Roadhouse meal with one of their salads and steak and baked potato. And then for like my next meal, I would probably have sushi. What are you drinking? Okay. Well, if I'm gonna go out, a water, a sweet tea,
Hey, better watch out.
a margarita.
Not a Baja Blast.
That's you. Maybe not. No, a virgin margarita. And then dessert, cheesecake, and that strawberry stuff Mama makes, or her chocolate cake. But yeah, oh my gosh, the cheesecake from Walmart. It's in a circular pan, and it's called a mousse cheesecake.
2 hours later.
I'm done now.
That's your death row meal?
I think so. Lobster tails. What would yours be?
Mahi toppings from Peachy's. 4 E, move.
Rusty, you're done. No, aim.
Hey.
Rusty just chucked it at him.
Yeah.
Glad. I thought it was a
Ryland's down there laughing at him. Anyways, your tacos.
Tacos,
Yeah.
a large Baja Blast,
Baja.
all sugar, and then a Sonic water, and also a Fountain Diet Coke from McDonald's. Some nachos and cheese from like the high school, like the concession stand. I don't know what I would want for dessert. I definitely want a lot of drinks, like Diet Coke, water, a Baja Blast. Probably a Red Bull.
I would take a Alani, the blue one, and a Sonic water as well. And then
I think 2 of my Adderall to start though, so I can focus.
yeah, I guess.
What else I want for sweet? Oh, the family size bag of Sour Patch watermelons. No,
Or cream cheese bars. Those are pretty good too. And some watermelon. Basically, probably everything I ate tonight too. So yeah, mine is like a 5-course meal. It's fine. Oh!
How many games? They're little balls.
You don't light them?
Yeah, you don't light them. No, yeah, I just want to see, but it's
If they're together,
So one's the mastermind and the one's like,
I think Christian was the mastermind.
Whoa!
Daddy, you want to come out some more? Oh. Oh, wow. Nanny's in there and Wendy and... Nice, okay. Oh, wish we could see it. Started further down in the... Ooh,
We'll be able to get up.
oh my gosh. Oh.
we can see that one.
The first one you can see.
Sir, that thing almost got your butt.
Jeez Louise.
Ow.
You want to see Grant?
Go play with Raylan.
I thought we were having
See you down there.
I told him about the cups. Look in the section here. 3 bags
Oh, boy.
I'd hate to see him jump.
Whoa, that was probably my favorite.
Them teeth.
What you think, Paul? Can't see? Any of them?
I was going to send it to Ashley, but one of
Let's go running. I don't even know what's there. Up here. We just put them all together. God, what's that?
Carly. They're on my chair. On my chair right
Here you
there.
go.
Unless Carly grabs it.
Or not.
Or you probably
Carly.
I think she's
Yeah,
the one
that's
who
better.
do that.
Logan fell asleep. Is asleep in there on the couch. There.
see them. I put them right in the fire. I saw that, didn't you, Mamo? And took all of those babies out and put them on Logan to give him having little snuggies to sleep with. Woo! That was
I'm basically gonna be YouTube famous. You just wait and see.
Alright, I'll be your #1 supporter.
You better be.